Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare। আমরা এখন এসে গেছি দুর্গানগর। দুর্গানগর, হরি বল। Duddar town. Now we have been reached Vidyanagar. Vidyanagar. Vidya means education. Nagar means town. Town for education. Why? Because this place, Vasudev Sarvabhauma. Vasudev Sarvabhauma means Vasudev Sarvabhauma born here. Actually, he is actually teacher of heaven, spiritual teacher of all God and goddesses. He born in here, and actually before he born, it was a place. All type of study people can do here. Archery, Ayurveda, archery, etc. All type of study center was here. Therefore, this place name become Vidyanagar. I am going to read invocation, Mangalacharan. This according to the Bhaktivinoda Thakur. I am going to read it. Jaya Gaura Nityananda অদ্বৈত গদাধর শ্রীবাসবী বৎসি নবদ্বীপ কীর্তন সাগর অর্গরিষ্ঠ গৌর নিত্যানন্দ অদ্বৈত গদাধর শ্রীবাস পণ্ডিত নবদ্বীপ ধাম ও ওষানব সংকীর্তন। This is the invocation. এটা হচ্ছে মঙ্গলাচরণ। ঋতুদ্বীপের অন্তর্গত বিদ্যানগর ইতিহাস। Rituddeep, I already explained you. Rituddeep actually it is representing the limb of devotion, worship, orchard. Siddha Nagare asi Nityananda Rai Vidya Nagare Tattva Srijive Sikhai. The Tattva Srijive Goswami told by Nityananda Prabhu, look what is the actual significance of that place. এটা সত্যিকারের কি তত্ত্ব রয়েছে এখানে। সাধারণ বিদ্যা তো আছে, আচ্ছা তার মধ্যে বিদ্যা মহাপ্রভু বললেন মানে রায় রামানন্দকে জিজ্ঞাসা করলেন, प्रभु कहे विद्या मध्य कौन विद्या सार? राय कहे कृष्ण भक्ति बिना विद्या नहीं आर। Actually, he wants Lord Chaitanya asked to Rai Ramananda, what is the essence of all study? Then that Rai Ramananda replied, Prabhu, among the all study, essence is Krishna Bhakti. Krishna Bhakti bila vidya yaar. Jar Krishna Bhakti nahi, har sei vidyar kono kana kori daam nahi. Nitya dham navadip proloya samoye অষ্টদল প্রথম রূপে থাকে শুদ্ধ হয়ে সর্ব অবতার আর ধন্য জীবী যত অমলের এক দেশে থাকে শত শত। দেখুন এখানে কি বলছেন যে নিত্য ধাম নবদ্বীপ প্রলয় সময়ে, প্রলয় ডেভাস্টেশন টাইম, যখন প্রলয় হয় নবদ্বীপ কিন্তু জেগে থাকে, কখনো ডোবে না। অষ্টতল পদ্ম রূপে থাকে শুদ্ধ হয়ে, কখনো ডোবে না, কখনো নষ্ট হয় না। ধাম চিন্ময়, ধাম নষ্ট হয় না। সর্ব অবতার আর ধন্য জীব যত প্রলয়কালে সমস্ত ধন্য জীব যারা সত্যি করে ভাগ্যবান জীব তারা এই কমলের এই যে মানে এই যে পদ্মের পাপড়ি ঋতুর দ্বীপে এখানে এসে থাকে শত শত মানে একটি নবদ্বীপে সবাই থাকে এখানে যারা ভাগ্যবান সবাই থাকে যারা ভাগ্যবান তারাই এখানে থাকে So actually there is an explanation is during the time of devastation time this Navadvip remains pure, it never destroyed. Even the explanation Sarva Avatar, all the incarnation and also Dhanna Jeev means blessed living being. Means what blessed? Who has piety, who has pious credit, those deep, they are never destroyed. The Lord arranged them to come here and save their life. This is the one lotus candle named Rituddeep. Yeah, this is actually Rituddeep. Actually Navadvip actually or everywhere it is Navadvip, entire Navadvip it becomes safe and all the blessed souls they are coming and staying here. ঋতুদ্বীপে অন্তর্গত এ বিদ্যানগরে মৎস্যরূপী ভগবান সর্ববেদ ধরে মৎস্যরূপী ভগবান Lord Supreme Lord, one incarnation of Lord Vishnu is fish incarnation, the Matsyarupi. This Bhagavan, Matsya Bhagavan, he also appeared here during the time of devastation. Matsyarupi Bhagavan, Sarva Veda Dhare, all the Veda, Reksham, Yaju, Atharva, all Veda, he was sailing here. Sarva Vidya Thake Ved, Ashraya Koriya, Sividya Nagara Namo, Ei Sthano Diya. Because all Veda protected by Matsya, incarnation, Vishnu is one incarnation, fish incarnation. Therefore, all the Veda here, and that Veda is like the essence of all study. Therefore, this place study is called Vidva. Therefore, this place name is Vidva Nagar. During the time of the devastation, that the Matsyarupi Bhagavan means fish incarnation, set all the Veda here. Therefore, this place name become Vidva Nagar. Brahma Bhai, Punajabe Srishti Mukhe Brahma Mahashai, Oti Bhito Hon Dekhi Sakala Praloy. Brahma, when he looked, this all the devastation time, everything going to destroy. And Brahma become fearful. How can he produce? How can it possible for him to reincarnate? Shuddha Saraswati, Kripa Brahmar Bhagavat Stuti. Sei kale Prabhu Kripa hoy tar prati. Sei sthan pe Bhagavane kare stuti. When the devastation period, that time Brahma was fearful. I already explained about that. Fearful is about the new creation. That time Brahma also prayed to Bhagavan, Supreme Lord. What he prayed? Mukh khulibar kale Devi Saraswati, Brahma jiva hoite janme oti rupavati, Saraswati Shakti pe Deva Chaturmo, Sri Krishna karen stape badasu. So Brahma also got the benediction of Saraswati Devi, and then he actually excellent. He prayed to the Bhagavan, and then what happened? Saraswati Shakti pe Deva Chaturmo. As soon as he get the potency from the Saraswati Devi, that time Sri Krishna karen stape badasu. The Brahma become happy to pray. By the benediction of Saraswati, Brahma invent prayer to Lord, and then he became happy. Before he was unhappy, fearful, now he became happy. সৃষ্টির সময় মায়া দেবীর জড় জগৎ অবস্থা, সৃষ্টি যবে হয় মায়া সর্বদিক ঘেরি, বিরজার পারে থাকে গুণত্রয় ধরি। Maya Devi, during the time of creation, you are thus situated in Biroja River. You know Biroja River, Raya? It's a, this Dhru, Dhruva, Sham, Moho, Jana, Taposotto. Seven elevation, you can say, 7 planetary system. 7 planetary system, above the 7 planetary system, there is the Biroja River. That river is very, when there, Karanadaksha Mahavishnu lying down over there. So that Biroja River also is a Brahma son, mind-born son. Krutamuni also praying and meditating Lord. Anyway, that Biroja River. ঋষিগণের দ্বারা বিদ্যার প্রকাশ, মায়া প্রকাশিত হই বিশ্বে বিদ্যার প্রকাশ, কবে ঋষিগণ তবে করিয়া প্রয়াস, এই তো সারদা পীঠ করিয়া আশ্রয়, ঋষিগণ করে অবিদ্যার পরাজয়। During the time of creation, Maya Devi surrounded the Biroja River. That time, all the rishi, all the sages, they Maya Prakashita Vishya Vidyaro Prakash, real study, real different type of study, archery, Ayurveda, different education. So all this education here. So the Saradapi means where study center, you can say study, source of study, this is Saradapi. Kashmir Saradapi, they are also called Saradapi. Saradapi, এই তো সারদাপীঠ করিয়া আশ্রয়, এই তো সারদাপীঠ করিয়া আশ্রয়, ঋষিগণ করে অবিদ্যার পরাজয়। The rishi, all the sages, they repeated. So ঋষিগণ করে অবিদ্যার পরাজয়। Avidya means whatever Maya Devi insisting us to do that, Rishi, all the sages, that destroy, this, like nowadays, all our previous teachers, they are trying to save us from the trap of Maya, right? Same way. At that time, sages, whoever here, they are trying to protect Maya Devi, not to disturb the creation. চৌষট্টি বিদ্যার পাঠ লয়ে ঋষিগণ ধরাতলে স্থানে স্থানে করে বিজ্ঞাপন। 64 type of study ঋষিগণ hold it, and then ধরাতলে in this material world, place to place, স্থানে স্থানে করে বিজ্ঞাপন। বিজ্ঞাপন means they can advertise, they are come here, I can give you, I can teach you this thing, I can teach you that thing, in that way. এই পিঠে সেসব সেবা, এই পিঠে সেসব আর স্থান অনুক্ষণ। রামায়ণের প্রকটস্থলী, রামায়ণ also, Valmiki Devi Ramayan wrote here. শ্রী বাল্মীকি কাব্য রস এই স্থানে পায়। Valmiki, the poetical quality got from here. Narad ki baat hu ailo hitai. By the grace of Narada Muni, Valmiki Muni came here. Ayurveda, Dhanurveda Prakotstali. It is also Ayurveda, Dhanurveda, archery, everything coming source here, Vindanavar. Dhanvantari Ashi, Heta Ayurveda Pai. Dhanvantari, Ayurveda, Dhanvantari, all Ayurveda center you can see, Dhanvantari statue, Mahavishnu statue. So, Ayurveda, Dhanvantari Ashiheta, Ayurveda Mai, Vishwamitra Adi, Dhanurvidya Sikhijai. With the Vishwamitra learned archery from here. Valmiki got the inspiration or upon a poetical quality he got here. Dhanvantari came here and also got Ayurveda here. Ved mantra tantre prakatstali. Ved mantra and tantra, black magic. That prakat means manifest from here. Shaunakadi Rishigan Pade Veda mantra Devo Devo Mahadevo Alachaya tantra. Shaunakadi Rishigan, they study, they recite Veda mantra here. And Deva Deva Mahadeva also Alachaya tantra here. Tantra means black magic. Char Veda Prakatstali. 4 Veda manifest here from here. Brahmachari Mukh Hoite Veda Chatushoy. Rishigan Parthana Kurilo Udoy. By the grace of, by the prayer of sages, Brahma manifests the 4th Veda here. Shankha Naya Tarkar Prakatstali. Shankha and Naya. There is different type of different type of study. We can say that Shankha Naya. There's different type of Tantra Vidya, Siddhi, Sankha Siddhi, Naya Siddhi. Naya means logical. You can logic and destroy, defeat all the debate. That proportional manifestation place here. Mobil Rochila Shankha, a Sane Boshi Kapil Muni. Not the witness of Kapil Muni. Naya Tarka Prakashila Gautama Rishi. Gautama Rishi also invent, or we can say manifest this Tarka, debate, logic. Gautama Rishi also got from here. Vaishashik Yog Shastra Prakatstali. Vaishashik Yog, all type of the different department of study. Vaishashik Prakashila Karna Bhugmuni Patanjali Yoga Shastre Prakasha Aponi. Karna Bhugmuni, one type of sage, one sage named Karna Bhugmuni. But Vaishashik Prakashila Patanjali. We know Patanjali means Ramdev Baba nowadays. But actually not Ramdev, Karna Bhugmuni. That's a Mimamsa Shastra Purana Prakatstali. All the Mimamsa means solution, how to make solution. And Puran, all the Puran also coming from here. Jaimini Mimamsa Shastra Korilo Prakash. Puranadi Prakash, Rishi Vedo Vyash. All the Puran, Vedavyas wrote here. Pancharatna Prakatstali. Pancharatna Naradadi Rishi Panchajan. Prakashya Jiva Ganeshikaya Sadhan. So all the Rishi 5 Rishi, they actually invent 5 type of ritual. Prakashya Jiva Ganeshikaya Sadhan. And then he invented, then he teach also here from to others. All these 5 types of Pancharatra. Upanishad Ganer is Gauranga Radhana. All the Upanishad, they worship Gauranga. Ei Pavane Sarva Upanishadagan Bahu বহুকাল শিব গৌরাঙ্গ করে আরাধন, বহুকাল, many times, all the Upanishads in the form like it, Ganga, Jamuna, and they have some, and they are from form, special form. Upanishads have form. They also came here and meditate Gauranga Mahaprabhu here. Gauranga, like Shiva meditated Gauranga, Parvati meditated Gauranga, Brahma meditated Gauranga. Similarly, all the Upanishads in their form, appear here and meditate Gauranga. Nirakara buddhi tavo hridaya dushilo, tumi tabe suti rupe more na acha. Alokya Shiva Hari se sabero kahilo nirakara buddhi tavo hridaya dushilo. Alokya Gaura Hari. Alokya means you are not able to see. In spirit, Gaura Hari always here. Nirakara buddhi tavo hridaya dushilo. Gauranga Mahaprabhu explained to that Rishi, you are not accepting our form, therefore your all intelligence polluted. Tumi sabe suti rupe more na paibe, amar parshad rupe jabe janma lobe. All of you in this suti form, in this good form, you are not able to get it and get my mercy, because you are representing Nirakara. Lord have no form. Lord has form. Amar parshad rupe jabe janma lobe. Whenever you come as my associate, then you can get my mercy. Properly like abe dekhibe amay. Whenever I will appear with this golden complex and molten gold form, you will see me, but you are not able to do anything. Momo guno kirtan koribe uborai. That time also, you can also glorify me. Kaha suni shitigan nistabda hoya gopone achilo heta kalo apekshya. After that incident, Mahaprabhu's instruction, when they hear, the all sitting on hidden way, silently staying here, and they are waiting to get the mercy of Gauranga. Ei dhanna palijug sarva juga sar jate hoilo si Gauranga avatar. Not all Kali-yuga of Gauranga appear. Gauranga Mahaprabhu appear every Manvanta. One Manvanta means 71 Chaturyu. Brahma's one day means 14 Manvanta. So 7 Manvanta, 28 number Chaturyu. In Chaturyu, the Kali-yuga, that time Lord Chaitanya. Brahma's one day he appeared only once. Don't think every Kali-yuga Krishna appeared in the form of Lord Chaitanya. No. Appeared Kalki, but not Chaitanya. This Kali-yuga, there is no question of Kalki avatar. Because Lord Chaitanya already planted the divine loving seed all over through Sankirtan. Vidyalila koribene Gauranga Sundar Ganasha Brihaspati Janme Adampa. Gauranga when he appears, then he will manifest first time to study. You can see Gangadhar Pandit study in there. Gangadhar Pandit also here. Ganasha Brihaspati. Even this Brihaspati means Devaguru Brihaspati. Sri spiritual master of all God and goddesses, is also born here in the form of Vasudeva Sarvabhauma. This is his birthplace. Vasudeva Sarvabhauma Saivyaswati Gauranga Tusita Jatna Purilen Oti. But Vasudeva Sarvabhauma left here. He went to Jagannath Puri. He became prime scholar in the kingdom of this Gajapati Maharaj, Maharaj Brihaspati Udas, Bahumor Navadide, Siddha Vilash, Kohiben Jani Mone Haiya Udas. So Mahaprabhu appear here and he will manifest pastime to learn, to read something, to study with the Vilash. Then the Brihaspati become best out. How is it possible? I am the teacher, but he will teach us. Sarvotag Kore Matte Jana. The Brihaspati left heaven and born here in the material world. Indra Sabha Parihari Nija Ganalaye Jonmilene Sane Stane Anandito Vasudeva Sarva Vidya Pachar. এই বিদ্যা নগরেতে করি বিদ্যালয় বিদ্যা প্রচারিল সর্বভৌম মহাশয় পাছে বিদ্যা জালে ডুবে হারাই গৌরাঙ্গ এই মনে করি এক করিলেন রঙ্গ. So Brihaspati also become greedy to get the association of Gauranga. Therefore he left Indra's palace and came here, born in here in this Vidwan of God in the name of Vasudeva Sarvabhauma. And then he manifests on play, round play, one play. Sarvabhauma and Nilachal Bhauma. I already explained Sarvabhauma left this place and going to and moved to Puri, Jagannath Puri. And he was become prime scholar of Gajapati Maharaj. Gajapati Maharaj, Pratap Rudra, Nija Shishya Gane Rakhi, Nodiya Nagare, Gaura Janma Purveteo, Yela Deshantare. He just kept his all disciples here. But himself, he moved to Jagannath Puri, King Maharaj Pratap Rudra's kingdom. He became prime scholar. When? Before Lord Chaitanya appeared. But Lord Chaitanya coming here to deliver Sarvabhauma. Therefore Lord Chaitanya decided after Shamna decided to go to Puri. But Lord Chaitanya himself is not taking decision. But he has desired to go. Therefore his mother tongue accordingly moved and explained. We can see at Jagannath Puri, which is not far from here, in that way. But actual purpose, Lord Chaitanya went to Jagannath Puri to deliver that Brihaspati, Devaguru Brihaspati. মনে ভাবে যদি আমি এই গৌরদা হই গৌরদাস কৃপা করি মোরে প্রভু লইবে নপাস. In mind he was thinking, if I am really servant of Gauranga, then Lord Chaitanya will arrange to keep me beside him. Lord Chaitanya will arrange to keep me beside him. The meaning? Do you know meaning? Lord Chaitanya will arrange something. Therefore Lord Chaitanya went there, delivers her home. এই বলি সার্বভৌম যায় নীলাচল Mayavad Shastra Tata Korilo Prabhat. When he went to Nilachal, oh, I just শোনার জন্য আসেন রে বাবা, খাবার জন্য এসেছেন নাকি? আমি তো বলছি বাংলা ইংলিশ দুটোই বেশি হচ্ছে, যাতে তাতে হয়ে যায়। Mayavad Shastra Tata Korilo Prabhat. There Mayavad become very strong. He made very strong. Mahaprabhu Vidya Vilas, Heta Prabhu Gaura Chandra Vidya Vilase Sarvabhauma Shishya Gane Jini Purihase. Mahaprabhu here, all the disciples Sarvabhauma, they become really confused. The Mahaprabhu's logic, they are not able to defeat it. ন্যায় ফাঁকি করি প্রভু সকলে হারায়, বহু বিদ্যা নগরেতে আইসে গৌর রায়। অধ্যাপক গণস্বর পড়ুয়ারগণ পরাজিত হয়ে সবে করে পলায়ন। Mahaprabhu's logic such a strong, such a strong and solid. So Sarvabhauma student unable to compete with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, therefore they also left flesh. Mahaprabhu's Vidya Vilashe Shraboner Pol, Gaurangere Vidya Lila, Apurva Kathan, Avidya Chaloe Tar, Je Kore Shobon, Shuniji Premanande, Se Vidya Nagare, Bash Piche Gora Gori Jai Premo Bhare. When Lord Nityananda explained all those incidents to Jiva Goswami Pad, at that time, Jiva Goswami Pad rolling on the ground, Gora Gori, and out of ecstatic love, was rolling on the ground here. Nityananda Sicharane Kore Nivedan. আমার সংশয় ছেদ করো এখন। Jiva Goswami was down. And Jiva Goswami was asking Nityananda, আমার সন্দেহটা মিটে দাও, please remove my doubt. সাংখ্য বিদ্যা তর্ক বিদ্যা অমঙ্গলময়, কেমনে নিত্য ধামে সে সকল রয়। সাংখ্য, all the Ashtasiddhi, that amangalmoy, this is not auspicious. So how this eternal abode, it is there, exists there, it exists there. Then Vidyanagara Samast Vidya Bhakti Devi Nityananda Prabhu. Now Nityananda Prabhu replied like this. Shuni Prabhu Nityananda Jive Dayakor. Nityananda becomes so happy and embrace Jiva Goswami. Ador Koriya Bale Hari Hari Vidyanagara Samast Vidya Bhakti Devi Dashi. Vidyanagara, all the study, Mayavad, everything, they are all servant of Bhakti Devi, all become servant. Prabhu Pavitra Dhame, Nahi Amangal, Tarpa Shankha Shakta Nahi, Hitaya Prabha, they are not powerful, like Mayadevi, powerful, like a crocodile powerful in water. But elephant powerful on earth. Similarly, in Navadvip, Bhakti will be very powerful. Others, they are inactive. Bhakti Rodhinsha, Bhakti Lakshakare, Karmata Dushtajane, Viporjaya Dhare. Everybody under the Bhakti. They are not beyond the Bhakti, under the Bhakti. They are all become servant of devotion. Karma the Dushtajana Viporjaya. Karma dosh means, Our behavior not established by law. Whatever association we got, then we establish such behavior. আমাদের ব্যবহারটা কি ভগবান দিয়েছে না আমরা কর্মদোষ আমরা কর্মদোষ সঙ্গ পেয়েছি সঙ্গের দ্বারা পেয়েছি কোনটা আমরা সঙ্গের দ্বারা পেয়েছি কর্মদোষ দুষ্টজনে বিপর্যয় ভক্তি মহাদেবী হেতা আর সবদাস সকলে করে ভক্তি দেবীর প্রকাশ ভক্তি মহাদেবী here and everybody servant of Bhakti Devi. Everybody should observe Bhakti, then manifest Bhakti. Bhakti will manifest. Navadvipe Navada Bhakti Odhishtan. Navadvipe Navada Bhakti Odhishtan. Bhakti re sevar sada karma ar gyan. Ohirmu jane shastro day dustamati. Shishto jane sei shastro day Krishna rati. Gauromaya Vidyanagare Odhishatri Devi. Gauromaya Gauri Dasi Odhishatri Devi. সর্বযুগে স্থানে থাকে গৌর সেবী গৌরমায়া এটা পোড়ামা মানে কেন বিদ্যানগরে গৌরমা is actually Kulguru. We can say that everybody family. So Maya Devi never allowed disturbance. So Gauramaya Gaur Dashi. Gauramaya is servant of Gauranga Mahaprabhu. And Sarvajuge Sthane Thake Gaurase means all the ages here Gauramaya become a servant of Gauranga. অতি কর্ম দোষ জবে যার বৈষ্ণবেতে দেশ তারে মায়া অন্ধ করি দেয় না না ক্লেশ if you are performing any kind of antagonism towards Vaishnava then Maya Devi make him blind Maya tate maya অন্ধ করি দেয় না না ক্লেশ and lot of suffering সর্বপাপ সর্বকর্ম হেতা হয় ক্ষয় গৌরমায়া বিদ্যা রূপে করে কর্মলয় all type of sinful reaction all type of karmas bad karmas consequence everything will destroy here heta hoy khoy heta means this place khoy means destroy or you can say diminish Gauramaya Vidya Rupe Kore Karmaloy Gauramaya the all karma is shaking us and allow us to be free from the bad karma consequence. So Navadvip is such a place. Therefore you can see there is explanation Gauro Brajobone Bhedana Haribo Oyubo Borojobasi First Gauradham is Gauradham Marshi, then Vrindavan Marshi, then we can stay at Vrindavan. We can be residents of Braj. কিন্তু যদি শিব বৈষ্ণব অপরাধ থাকে তবে দূর করে তাকে কর্মের বিপাকে we committed Vaishnava offense, then Mahadevi dur kore tare karmer vipak. Mahadevi gave him such a karma, he will leave this place. With Vaishnava offense, no one can stay here. Vidya pori nadi aaye, se sab durjan. Kahu nahi paye Krishna pade premadhan. If someone Durjan means actually non-devotee. Always thinking how to create obstacle for others. Kohunai by Krishna Pada. If they study here, but they will not get the lotus feet of Krishna. So many on and off, on and off. Viddar Viddalab, Kore Jaisham, Nahi Deke Singorango Nodia Boivha. Study here, but attached with Avidya, all the Maya Devi's influence. They are not able to see the Gauranga's pastimes, able to realize the Gauranga's, the beautiful pastimes, not able to realize. Vidya Mongolmoy, Avidya Amongolmoy. Ati Vidya Nahe Amongol, Vidya Nahe Amongolamoy. Vidya Ravidya Chaya Amongolamoy. Nice explanation. Vidya Nahe Amongol. Real study means Krishna Bhakti. Never enough is. Avidya, what is influencing Mayadev? Avidya. Vidya Chaya Amangala. The Vidya Nahe Amangala. Vidya always auspicious, but when we are in the Vidya in bad association, then bad conclusion of study, then becomes enough. Sijiben Bhakti Nityananda Kripasudha. Eisha Spuribe Jeev Gauranga Kipai. Likhibe Apon Shastra Prabhuro Ichai. Tomara Dara Koriben Shastra Paraka. Ibe Cholo Jai Mora Jannur Abash. The Nityananda will explain to Jiva Sripad. Gradually all the study reveal in your heart, and you will write many scriptures. Now we can pay obeisance here and go to our Jannu Muni's ashram. That's the purpose. So now we have to take prasadam here. Chapale prasad paben to? Prasad paben ki na? Prasad pe ekto bar Vishwam Putta Param Dharma nahi.